beginning our third chapter, pair of linear equation in two variable, which we already did in 9th standard. This is the continuation of that chapter only. So in 9th standard we already written the general formula as ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Means for this I would like to give you example that if it is in the form of 2x plus 5y plus 9 is equals to 0, then what is the value of a? So we were writing in 9th standard that value of a will be 2, value of b will be 5 and value of c will be 9. And this kind of question we already solved in 9th standard, as well as some basic formula setup that we did in 9th standard. So here they have given one condition, a and b are not both 0 at same time. यानी यहाँ पे a भी 0 हो गया और b भी 0 हो गया. Means for an example, if I would like to tell you that suppose if we are taking a as 0, means 0x plus 0y and c we having 5 and that is equals to 0. Because our general formula is in this form and that they all are equals to 0. So then what will happen? 0 into x means it will become 0, 0 into anything it will become 0 and this will become 5 and 5 can't be equals to 0 because 5 is equals to 5. So that's why they told that at a one time a and b both cannot be 0. यानी अगर एक चीज 0 हो सकती है, it means it can be in this form. So it is in this form. If x term or a term is not there, so x will we are taking out. So what will remain? 2x plus 5 and that will be equals to 0 and there we will denote that a is equals to 0, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to 5. So this can be possible. This is linear equation in two variable only, but the value of a is 0. That's why x term is not there. But at the same time, they both can't be 0. Okay, then we said that every solution of equation is a point on a line representing it. यानी हम ऐसा solution ले रहे थे in 9th standard only that 2 and 1 are the so what is this? This is x and this is y. And if you having a linear equation, if it in this form, then if you are substituting this value and you are checking that it is satisfying this condition or not. So here they said that every solution of a equation is point on a line representing. By after checking this substituting value, we are representing on a graph, or in 9th standard we were doing that if we are taking x plus y is equals to 5, then we are taking some value of x and we are finding y and we are writing in that one bracket that if we have taken value of x as 1, then what will be the value of y? So 1 we are shifting over there, so we are getting 4. And likewise if we are taking x as 2, then what we are getting as y? So 3. And this kind of values we are getting and then we are plotting on the graph. And by plotting on the graph, we were getting linear equation, means a line on the graph. Suppose if I am representing this thing, means if I am representing this line on the graph, then what kind of graph I am getting? Suppose this is 1 centimeter perfectly, and if I am writing it in this form, and if it is 1, 2, 3, and it is x-axis and this one is y-axis, this one is -1, -2, -3. And if I am representing 1, 4 means for x-axis it is 1 and for y-axis it is 4, so it will come over here. Then if x is 2, then our y is 3, then it will come over here, somewhere over here. And if I was stretching that line in that 9th standard, I was getting one line over there. So ये चीज वही बोली है कि every solution of equation is a point on a line representing it. यानी हमारा linear equation in two variable का ग्राफ हमेशा line के फॉर्म में आएगा. Each solution x and y of a line equation in a two variable ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 correspond to the point on a line representing in equation. यानी अगर हम उल्टा सोचने लग जाए कि 1 और 4 और 2 और 3 क्या ये लाइन यानी क्या ये इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन है, ये क्वेश्चन भी हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. मीन्स ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ x I have to substitute that one and on the place of y if I am substituting y I am getting 5 or not. If I am getting 5, then I will write that left hand side is equals to right hand side. So they are saying that this x and this y are the, when we are substituting in it, it will be same. So the next line is we are doing, that is if we want to represent two linear equation in सेम टू वेरिएबल x एंड y, यानी कि यहाँ पे हमारी कंडीशन ये है कि जनरल फॉर्मूला x और y के फॉर्म में दे दिया है। यहाँ पे चार वेरिएबल, एक्चुअली तो बहुत सारे वेरिएबल हो जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज a इज ऑल्सो वेरिएबल, x is also variable b, but here a is in the form of number, but x and y will be in the form of variable. But suppose if you want to write in the form of ap plus bt plus c is equals to 0, then also it is okay. It is not compulsory that it should be in the form of x and y, means variable can be anything. But अगर मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि मेरा लीनियर इक्वेशन सिर्फ x और y के फॉर्म में होगा, तो सब लीनियर इक्वेशन फिर एक जैसे दिखने लगेंगे। तो हमने चेंजेस किए हैं, अगर दो लीनियर इक्वेशन को रिप्रेजेंट करवाना है और उनका जनरल फॉर्मूला हमें लिखना है, तो हाउ वी कैन राइट, वी विल राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Here I am writing a2x plus b2y plus c2. What it representing, तो यही बोल रहा है, suppose I am taking this example. So what we are saying, here the value of a1 is 5, okay, and here the value of a2 is 2. But x and y variables are same. So like that, if we are writing b1 and b2, so what we are getting, b1 is in the form of 2 and b2 is in the form of 3, as well as c1 is in the form of 6 and c2 we are getting in the form of 9. So this is the concept for this year, यानी ये नया concept है 10th standard के लिए, because in 9th standard we were working on linear equation, we are plotting on the graph, and there also we are getting this kind of solution too, that if two lines are given or two linear equations are already ready-madely given, we are substituting value by ourselves and we are plotting it on the graph. So what kind of graph we are getting, intersecting lines में होता था, या तो parallel lines होती थी, या तो फिर वो एक दूसरे को coincident होती थी. So this topic will continue this year also, that if we having two linear equation, okay, with same variable, यानी x और y के form में ही है, so what will be the change, a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 will be changed. And if you are representing this, means by after getting solution of this linear equation, यानी अगर मैं x की वैल्यू यहाँ लेते जाऊंगी तो मुझे y मिलता जाएगा, यहाँ पे भी अगर आई एम टेकिंग वैल्यू ऑफ x मुझे y मिलता जाएगा, और ऐसी कुछ चार वैल्यू में ले रही हूँ, मीन्स टोटल इफ यू आर टेकिंग 8 वैल्यूज और 6 वैल्यूज, and if I am representing on a graph, 3 kind of graph we are getting. It should be intersecting, it should be parallel, or it should be coincident. And this will be the most important topic for this year, because our whole or half of the exercise will depend on this. But before beginning that topic, we will do some basic to form, how to form linear equation. Linear equation form कैसे होता है? We will see some example. You just have to write down all these notes in your notebook. You have to note down this in your notebook, these points. After doing this point, we are doing some basic questions how to form the linear equation. Then whatever is instruction given by board, we will do that. If they are asking us to represent on a graph, we will represent it, else we will do our continue work like exercise 3.1, 3.2 and the rest exercise. You can read the question. The cost of a pen is double than the cost of a pencil. Write the linear equation in two variable and find two more values. So जैसा हमने 9th standard में सीखा था, again we will do the same process. We will guess it in the form of x and y. So here I will guess, let the cost of pen is x, and if it is cost, so we will write 18 in rupees. And if we want to write let the cost of pencil in the form of y rupees, then what kind of linear equation we are getting? So here we will read the question after denoting this. If you want to wish that cost of pencil should be x, it should be, you can guess it in x, and pen is in y, that is your wish. But here I have guessed the cost of pen is x and the cost of a pencil is y. Now let us read this statement, because this statement is very important. The cost of a pen is double, यानी If it is in the form of x and y, and we know that linear equation is already in the form of equals to. So when we are comparing these, what kind of important thing we have to remember? So यहाँ पे दिया है the cost of pen is double. पेन की कॉस्ट जो x है और पेंसिल की कॉस्ट जो y है, तो पेन की कॉस्ट ऑलरेडी डबल है. मीन्स व्हाट दे हैव गिवन that if it is double, suppose if it is 10, तो ये उससे आधी होगी, means it is 5. But to make it equal, what we will do, whatever double is given to us, we are not multiplying in the form of x, because here is given that pen is double, so we are not multiplying that 2 in this x, but we have to multiply either the side of the equation, then only these both will equal. So अगर हमें कॉस्ट ऑफ दी पेन डबल दी है, तो यहाँ पे हम 2x नहीं लिखेंगे, 2x ऑलरेडी इट इज इन ट्वाइस फॉर्म, सो वी विल राइट दैट टू that side of equals to, then only they both will be equal. So this is the most important concept of this, that if they have given this one as thrice or a 3 times, so what we will do, this is already in 3 times, so x is in 3 times, so we are not multiplying 3 this side, but we will multiply that 3 either side, then only these both will be equal. Then we will take out it in general formula, means x minus 3y. Here the constant term is not there, so it is in the form of 0. So this is our linear equation, whatever they have asked. So this kind of question we already did in 9th standard, that the cost of a pen is 3 mole. Suppose they have given the question as 3 mole. So then at that time what we were doing? So we were guessing it in the form of let the cost of pen is x and the cost of pencil is y. But 3 more is given to us. तो वापिस से अगर हम x और y को compare कर रहे हैं, तो ये वाली कॉस्ट ऑलरेडी 3 मोर है, तो हम 3 यहाँ पे प्लस नहीं करेंगे, वी विल ऐड इट दैट साइड. Then we are forming that linear equation, that x minus y, and if you are taking this 3 this side, so it will become minus 3 and they all are equals to 0. So whatever is given for particular side, we are not adding in that side, we are not multiplying that side, we are not subtracting this side, but we will do another side of equals to, then only they both will be equal and they will form linear equation. So let me give one more example of subtraction too, so our concept will be clear. So the cost of pen is 5 less, if it is given 5 rupees less or 5 rupees less than the cost of pencil. So what kind of statement we are getting? If it is in the form of x and y, तो ये already 5 कम है, इसकी प्राइस, पेन की प्राइस already 5 कम है, तो यहाँ पे हम 5 subtract नहीं करेंगे, we will subtract 5 that side, then only our equation will be created, and if we are taking in general formula, it will become x minus y plus 5 and is equals to 0. So I hope you understood the concept that whatever they are telling us, that multiply this, add this or less this, we are not doing either side of this, but we are doing on other side, then only they both will equal, and this is how basic concept of linear equation will be clear. So here 2 more example I would like to give you, that cost of a pen is 2.5 times the cost of a pencil. So as I told you, first we will guess, let the cost of pen as x rupees and let the cost of pencil as y rupees. Then we will read the statement, the cost of a pen यानी कि x and the cost of pencil यानी कि y. So the cost of a pen is 2.5 times, यानी कि ये already 2.5 times दिया है, यानी multiply. ओके, मोर दिया होता तो हम ऐड करते और लेस बोला होता तो हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते, तो टाइम्स बोला है, मींस इट इज 2.5 टाइम्स अ पेंसिल. एक्सप्रेस दिस, तो ये ऑलरेडी 2.5 है, तो हम 2.5 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, वी विल टू मल्टीप्लाई 2.5 that side of linear equation and let us try to solve. Means we will convert it into mixed fraction, so it will look like this. So therefore x equals to 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 by 2y. And if you are solving it, it will look like 2x is equals to 5. So this is the linear equation, and if you want to take out in the form, you have to take this 5 by this side. Now the second question, what they told us, in an IPL cricket match, Rahul and Rohan together scored 198 runs. Express the statement in linear equation in two variables. So as we are doing, सबसे पहले हम guess कर देंगे, और if we are guessing it proper, we are getting half marks there. So let runs scored by Rahul as X. Then I am guessing let runs scored by Rohan, and that will be equals to 1. Both together, because here is given Rahul and Rohan together, यानी कि दोनों साथ में, तो ये राहुल के रन है, ये रोहन के रन है, और बोथ टूगेदर यानी कि एडिशन, साथ में मिलके उन्होंने कितने रन स्कोर किए, दैट इज 198. सो सपोज इफ यू आर टेकिंग दिस एज 100, सो हाउ मेनी रन्स दिस पर्सन मीन्स रोहन हैज स्कोर्ड, सो वी विल सबट्रैक्ट दैट 100 ओवर हियर, तो इट विल कम 90, मीन्स 90 रन रोहन ने बनाए होंगे, तब राहुल के रन 100. Because in a fixed number we are not knowing that what exactly Rahul and what exactly Rohan has scored. So what we are doing, we are guessing some values. By guessing the value, we are getting another value. So we are guessing, suppose it one as 50, so we will get value like that. If we are guessing it as 75, we will get value of y according to that. And we are writing in one table, and then we are plotting it on the graph, and after the plotting the graph, we are getting one line, means we are satisfying our concept that this is the pair of linear equation and our graph is also in the form of linear or a line. This is how you can take few more example and you can also solve it.